Alright folks, I just went out to Mission Trails Regional Park to fly my drone and take some pictures and videos. But I'm getting hungry. It's about 2:10 on a Sunday. And even though I said that I'm going to try to get a Vietnamese banh mi every Saturday, and I will try, but I don't have much more time in San Diego. I am actually heading off next weekend to Manchester, England for work, and they just don't have a lot of Vietnamese food there, and the few that they do aren't very good, so I don't think I'm going to be able to find banh mi for the next month or so. So I'm going to do another banh mi sandwich, even though sandwich video I should say, even though it's Sunday. So today we're going to K Sandwiches in Linda Vista. So just driving around in my neighborhood until we get to the freeway here. But K Sandwiches was recently opened again after a fire put them out of business for a year and a half. They've probably been open for what, 10 months, a year? I don't even remember. But I'm just gonna go and get their special and then enjoy. So as usual, I'll speed this up in post. Meanwhile, enjoy the ride. Alright, so here we are. Parking can be a little bit hit or miss, and I apologize that driving video is just on my dash cam, which is 1080p only, so quality is not going to be as high as my iPhone, but you get the idea. And we just had some pretty crazy drivers around, but here we are. So let's head inside. But this is K Sandwiches after the build out from the fire. So here I am waiting in line in front of this cold storage case with plenty of desserts, which looks awesome. And the whole restaurant has been renovated, so it's a lot cleaner and brighter. And today was just super busy with a lot of people stopping by for sandwiches at lunchtime. I've ordered mine and now I'm just sitting there waiting for it so I can take it home and check it out. All right, I'm back at home, and you know the drill. Banh mi and Stone IPA. That's because that's the only beer I have right now. So here's the K Sandwich Special. All right, so first observation, and this was $4.65. I've been here before, so this is not a surprise. But this is what they call their special, and you can see that it's got Vietnamese pork sausage, call it gallo. Got some head cheese, pate. I mean, it's a really thin layer of pate on top of the pickled daikon and carrots. I think you can barely see it. They got mayo, And then you have cilantro and jalapenos and all that good stuff. But the first thing I'll say is that look at that meat quantity compared to, say, akel, which I've shown before, or balea. They're just really, really dirt cheap with the meat here. I mean, $4.65 is the most expensive special banh mi so far. And yeah, they skimp. They really skimp on the filling. So let's have a bite. Okay, well, I mean, it tastes fine, but I feel a bit cheated. I will say, though, that they have the best bread of all the places I've gone to. So you have that. Anyways, decent sandwich. I think in comparison to other places, you know, it's just okay. I would give it like 2.5 stars out of 5, maybe 3 if I'm generous. And primarily for the value proposition. I think that their really good bread is not good enough to outweigh the little fillings that you get in their special, especially compared to the price. So there you go. K Sandwiches in Linda Vista. Later.